We are pleased to show you the 2020 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system, heated steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.